Another North Dakota Highway Patrol officer has been charged with misdemeanor sexual assault in connection with the hot tub parties in 2020. The Bismarck Tribune reported Thursday that 40-year-old Travis Scar has been accused of inappropriately touching a woman in a hot tub during a party in the summer of 2020. Former patrol officer Stephen Johnson faces a misdemeanor sexual assault charge stemming from another hot tub party in December of 2020. A woman accused him of inappropriately touching her at the party. Johnson was fired in November of 2021. His attorney called the charges an act of revenge by someone with a vendetta. Court documents don't list an attorney for Scar.